Good morning, Year 6. I hope you're okay, and welcome to week 4 of your home learning. I just wanted to share with you from school this morning what you're going to be doing this week. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the learning for the 25th of January, the week beginning. And as you can see, there are some different layouts of what you're going to do today. You've got your book talks, you've got your writing, you've got your maths, and you've got your curriculum subject. It's split into Padlet on days anyway, so it should be really easy for you to find. On Monday, you're going to carry on with your writing linked to your Blitz scene, and that's going to be paragraphs 3 and 4. Remember to reread and check where you're up to first. Okay. There's a book talk where we'd like you to watch a little animation first. And then in maths, you're going to start or continue with your shape work on rectilinear shapes with your area and perimeter. Okay, this afternoon, you're going to have a look at the Battle of Britain in history, and there are a few video clips for you to watch. The links are here, and then we would like you to have a look at the questions here and make your notes. Okay. Moving on to Tuesday, again, you've got another book talk, and in your writing, you're going to edit and improve. Now, this is a really important part of the process. Nobody writes perfect first time. So there's a few slides that will guide you through the proofreading and the editing steps. We'd like you to follow those really, really closely. And there's your teacher video from Mrs. Hattrick there to explain too. Okay. In your maths, you'll be moving on to the area of triangles. Okay, it links really, really closely to rectangles. So see if you can use your rectangle area and perimeter information to help you find the area of your triangles. Okay. In your PSHCE for Tuesday afternoon, it's about perseverance and really using your learning grit. Okay, and we'd like you to start by watching these 4 video clips, really, really good clips they are, about you've got a bear, you've got an animation, you've got Michael Jordan, and you've got the Beano, and it's about perseverance. Okay, then we'd like you to think about how that links to your learning, and you'll be introduced to the learning pit. One of my friends, Leanne Frid, she's a head teacher, and she introduced me to this a few years ago now, and it really changed how I approached learning as an adult and how I approach children's learning as well. So it's really, really good to really think about your learning in the context of the learning pit. Once you've done that, we'd like you to create your own learning pit, and you can annotate that with people and things that you can do, places that you can go to, people you can ask for help when you are learning. All right. So really, really good activity on Tuesday afternoon. On Wednesday, again, you're going to carry on with your book talks. You've got a non-fiction text on Wednesday afternoon. And then in your writing, we'd like you to start to think about publishing it. Okay. And it's going to be really nice for you to really work hard and produce a nice piece of published writing. Okay. Once you've done that and you've done all your edits, there's some really nice pictures from Mrs. Hattrick, who's put them in to a PowerPoint for you about illustrations. Okay, so enjoy doing that and get your pen or your pencil, and you can really work hard on your illustrations there to publish your writing. Okay. In maths, you're moving on to parallelograms, really, really linked closely again to rectangles. So it shouldn't be too difficult, but there are some challenges there. As always in the maths, look out for our top tips. And then on Wednesday afternoon, really exciting, design technology. You're going to look at pickling. And hopefully you saw my tweets last week giving you the recipes and your ingredient lists. I know I had to put a few more vegetables onto my shopping this week to make sure that we had the right things. But if you've still got time, you can have a look at those links there that I will tell you about the pickling and why it links to World War II. And then this is your final product. Okay, so really, really hands-on fun activity for Wednesday afternoon, World War II pickling. Now, Thursday, again, you've got another book talk. And this is the one that I'd like you to choose an extract from your current reading book. Just a reminder, you should be reading for 20 minutes every day. And I want you to make sure that you're focusing on finding that suspense in your writing? How have they built that suspense? How have they used vocabulary? Okay, and just make some notes and find examples of how your authors have done that. Okay. Link to your pickling. On Thursday, we're going to start a new piece of writing, short piece, instructions of how to make pickles. Now you can choose to either do your instructions of how to pickle, or you can do an informative piece about World War II and pickling. If you choose to do the informative piece, you can have a look at this website and it will tell you all about World War II and pickling. I'm sure there's lots of other research you could do as well too. On Thursday, you're going to look at cuboids. Okay, and this is where we look at volume, moving to 3 dimensions instead of 2 dimensions. Okay, and then on Thursday afternoon, you're going to carry on with your Henry Moore art, and that's a teacher video from Mrs. Hattrick there, and that will carry on looking at Henry Moore style sketches based on a composition of you and your family members as if you were cramped into an air raid shelter. So I have a look at that on Thursday. Friday again, flexible Friday. We'd like you to plan your own time. Make sure you're planning it. Do some times table work, spelling work, handwriting work. Okay. And then I've also put this here just so that you can carry it on from last week and you can track your progress with your fitness levels. Reminder here that there's a link to line graphs on BBC Bitesize if you are unsure. So that's it for this week. I hope you have a fantastic week learning at home. And if you do have any questions, please make sure that you email the email address here. And Mrs. Hattrick and Miss Mack will get back to you because they are at home this week. And we cannot wait to see your learning. So please do send that in. Okay, it's really important that we get to see what you're doing, and we can look at it and then we can give you some feedback. All right, so have a fantastic week. We look forward to hearing from you, and bye for now.